So here's my camping trailer, and I've just upgraded for next year with a Chinese diesel heater on the side of it. It's the tall one with the fuel tank at the top, but I have fully enclosed it, A, to be less noisy, and B, to obviously look after it when it's out on the road. We've upgraded from this controller. This is the 6-fan or the 6-blade controller, but I found when I extended the lead up to 10 meters, because obviously the tent is quite big, I found I was getting voltage drop and I was getting error codes. So I searched on the internet and I've got this, the next best thing, which puts this controller into this little remote control, and so now everything is controlled from this. It connects up to the 3 pins. Obviously it's a slightly different connector, but I've just wired it in for the moment, and you can see if I turn it on, it should turn it on. Right, standby. Right, you just heard it click on there. And there's the actual Bluetooth module. You can switch it on and off with that as well. But all intents and purposes now, this replaces this. So from the tent I can control heat and everything from this small remote control. It's just warming up now. You can't do all the settings, but that's why I've still got the controller, so if I need to I can plug it in and do everything I need to do. When it's up and running, I'll carry on the video. So you can see now it's up to full temperature. I've got it on manual mode. You can do automatic, and I presume this has a thermostat inside. So it's just ticking away. And if I control the heat from here, it's handy. Fairly slow to react, but once it's up and running it should make life easier without any wires. And I can actually turn it off with the thing as well, and you can turn it off with this, so I think off. There it goes. So yeah, quite a good upgrade. I'm quite chuffed. Just need it in the tent, but that'll be a fair few months yet. But at least I won't have wires. I think I'll put this button inside on the roof somewhere. I say it's empty at the moment. All the camping gear is away in the house. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with the new control unit.